Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by fitting a fresh battery and confirming the device firmware. This avoids mid-deploy failures. Once done, plug the Hobo into your computer and open HOBOware so you can set sample rate, start time, and time zone. These choices determine resolution and battery life. Make sure to name the device and select continuous or interval logging. Why this matters is simple. Sampling frequency directly affects memory use and the usefulness of your data once retrieved. You next mount the logger securely where it will measure orientation and depth change readings, so document them. Once mounted, enable any alarms or triggers you need and run a short test log to confirm readings and battery draw. This catches configuration errors before full deployment. Make sure to record deployment metadata such as start time, GPS location, and environmental notes. Later analysis depends on that context, so do not skip it and double-check seals if exposure is expected. You finish by stopping the logger and downloading the files into HOBOware. Immediately back up the raw files so you never lose original data. Then check time alignment versus your reference clock, apply any calibration corrections, and export to CSV or TXT for analysis. If something went wrong, missing samples or flatlines, first inspect seals and battery, rerun the short test log, and compare metadata. Often the issue is a loose seal, wrong sample rate, or depleted battery rather than sensor failure.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.